Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfold.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Test 1, 2, 3. There we go. Good volume. I could probably go a little higher. Yep. All right, you can see we're putting in so far some higher or lower highs, lower lows. My 15-minute little chart here, picture in picture. A cool little thing, I think. So there's the move up, and over here we're actually within the central pivot range, so bottom control being here at 24,909. So we're right in the middle of the range, right at the daily pivot. VWAP is down here at 909. So right at your bottom control. So it's kind of sideways. So just a little hint, maybe a little chop. If you look at the daily, oh, why do I have that up there? There's the daily, and you can see we're in this like little wedge here so far. So if we break out above Friday's high, well, or low, that'll be the indicator for me. So that is, always forget what it is to get that freaking little box. There you go. So the high being 139.50 and the low being 678.50. So 138, that's about 100 points up. And the low at 678, that's about 300 down. So let's see what happens. Obviously, if we go up, it's a little quicker. Otherwise, it's going to might take a while. 300 points down. We are down 124 due to the Trump tariffs, 15% across the board. So we'll see. Here's ES. And you can see we've just been kind of going sideways, right? But good moves in there, really good moves. All right. I really like these little lower high, higher lows. Kind of nice. If we come down and take out this 15-minute candle, that might be another lower high might pop up there. Could be interesting. that number is, so something for you to keep an eye on is 961.25. All right, got TCS going. And it's ready. Just double checking. Yep. It's ready. It'll show up here first. And then I'll start with the, it's not really the bot suite. What I'm playing is just the pre-high low of the 2 minute. So when we get down to 2 minutes, the pre-high low. Taking long and short. That looks like it's ready. And looks like I'm ready. I got not much going on. So right now we're in this little box area, which to me is, what is that? 21 from 887. So 880, 2040, about 140 points. That is kind of like So I'm just going to try to, good morning. I don't even know how to say that name. Wow. Crying. I will just call you Crying. Good morning, Crying. How's that? Is that all right? So basically my feeling is I'm just going to stay kind of quiet here until we get out of this range. It's a 140 point range, but unless we drop the prior 15 minute, what time is it? 23. So unless we drop this candle here at open, that might give us a move at least down here to VWAP. So that number is, let me just put that out there, 931.50. So 931.50, right there. So let me put him down to, let's go with 1030. There we go. I'll put him red because that's where I'll go short if we get down there. If we head up, well, we head up. I got to wait. We put in a lower high and then a lower low. So at least the most recent ones. Let's see. There should have been another higher low here, but I'm only showing a few. I don't know if I can change that or not. See, I don't need that. I don't need that. Maybe I need some of that. Highs and lows. Too bad it didn't give me a number of them. Might have to add that. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Okay. Nope, don't want that one. I could probably get rid of this one. One less box to deal with. Yeah. There we go. All right, that's all I got. Just kind of hanging out. We're gonna hang out in this zone. So, well, from here, actually from here. So let's call it 24.9 up to 25.20. So 120 points. I don't know how much I want to mess with it in this area. So Good morning, Jason. So the only news events we have are 10 o'clock factory orders, but it's low. So not expecting too much from it. We're currently at today's pivot, 24,965. So just kind of hanging out. I'll just let things kind of play out. I'm playing a little. Oh, toggle below. I'm playing a little smaller. Bot suite, actually, I do want to show the trader. Because if we take the first one, if it's successful, depending on price action, I may turn him off. I don't know. So it doesn't take the second one. We'll see. This is the 5-minute 20 EMA. Yeah, hopefully everybody had a good weekend. Pretty simple. If we get down below this bull zone here at 24,885, obviously it's bearish. For sure, 24,909, I would look for the short because we've already came through the bull zone here. You can see this morning we came up in it. We used it as support. They flew it right up above. We came down, retested it, came back up. So they're kind of wearing it out, in my opinion. And since we came down there and used the bottom as support again, so we've done what I like to see happen. All right, we got 2 minutes, minute and a half, 1 minute. Well, what I like to always see what happens is for us to come into the bull zone, take out the top, hit this, come back and hit the bottom, and then take off. So far, for the most part, we've done that. Uh-oh. Okay, I've lost my mouse, so I might be a small thing. The fuck. Oh, here it is. Ooh. All right, I'm back. Ooh, that was a little scary. I thought I was gonna have to shut down real quick. All right, here we go. Getting ready to open. Good luck. There's the pre-2 market. There's the long. And we went to break even. Okay. There we go. Good play. Okay, so I'm going to turn him off now. And I'm going to switch over to my other screen. There you go. Okay, so we took out this high right here. Prior higher high. Which is right around 25,003. So if we come back down there, that's also the London high. Sorry, that's also the London high we just took out. There you go, right there. This yellow line. The London low is down here at 862. So the question will be is, do we come out, take this guy out, come down, take him out, and then head back up, or vice versa, come down, take him out, and just keep on dropping? So good time just to hang out here. See, we're still in this top control. We also took out top control. If we come back above 25,000, that might be a good indication to go long. Yeah, I do like that. Wow. Oh, sucker. They got me. I was trying to get in at somewhere around 25,004. There we go. If we can get a push up to a new high. There you go. All right. That'll work. Little push up. All right, let me look at TCS real quick. Okay. So more than likely we'll have to wait for a short in order to take a trade on him. So it might be a while. There we go. So we took out this former high right here at 25,000. That still might be the play to stay in. We haven't closed above top control yet, but it looks like it's coming. Yeah, those are all just buying opportunities. Let's see, we're only down 50, but we are holding that top control at 21. See how this goes. Just kind of let the market settle out. Coming back to 25,000 again. I question whether that's just a buy. Just buy it. Okay, it came up to the 14 EMA. It came down to it, I mean, right around 84. That would have been a nice long. Good aggressive long. It would be better if we came down to either the 21 or the 20 EMA. The 5-minute 20. Still have 9 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, so I'm just kind of gonna watch it here. Okay, we just swept the hour. Hour swing high at 25,003. So it's possible that we come on down. I'm just kind of watching. Have a good day. Yeah. Just a little patience. I don't really want to bot sweep, damn it. If I was going to take a long, it would have to be above 25.05. Right up in there. Where I would like to take it is right here. Dang it. I really don't know if I really wanted that. But if I do get it there, then I might as well, let's see if I can take it out to the high. There we go. Make sure we take something, at least break even. I want to move up. Come on, keep going, keep going. Nope. Still like it. Come on back down a little bit more. I'll try to get back in at 05, 06. We got 15 seconds on this candle, 1 minute, 3-minute candle, sorry. Yeah, you fucker. I knew you were going to come down and get me. One more time. ATR's 26. Not terrible. Actually, it's pretty decent. Coming back down to the 14 EMA again. Seems to be a buy every time it comes down there. Let's see if today's or this time's the same case. Come on. Move up. We got 5 minutes left on the 15-minute. We're getting ready to get a new 5-minute candle. Yeah. Okay, so let's see, 2 minutes. All right. So what I'm looking for now is if we can get a close below the 5-minute 20, I would take that short. I got to get a close below it. Okay, you got a 15-minute short based on the prior 15-minute candle. We're also closing, getting below VWAP. See if I can get in someplace. Okay, 36 seconds left on this 2 minute. .30 ATR in the 1 minute. Okay, we just drop bottom control. I'm gonna wait. The TCS is up. Damn it. Wasn't really ready to take that yet. Take that off. If we get back here, which is 908, might be a good thing I did take it off. Come on, go up a little bit higher. Let me get in there. There we go. Target 1 is 29 points. There we go. Come on, give it to me. Let's go. Trying to lose that bull zone, which is at 887. Okay, I'm going to lock in. Come on. Nope, I'm out. That's all right. Could take it one more time. I mean, 98, it's not a bad, or what is that? 908, sorry. Ah. Try one more time. Nope, we're going to get taken out. Nope. Wow, quick reversals, man. Come on, just one push. One push down. There we go. I'm going to lock it in again. One push down. Come on. We can get down to that 879. That would be pretty sweet. There you go. Just like that. Nicely done. Okay. See what happens. See if we come back to break even here. Took a number of trades, but worked out in the end. That's the way I can keep playing it. Oh, I get new coffee. If it does come down to target 2, it'll be done for the day. Oh, it's going to take it too. Gosh darn it. Come down and get it. Come down and get it. We're down fighting that bull zone right now. It was a good short right there at 887. Could have got you down to 858, 857. All right, so we took out a break even, and it will take the long if we get up there. Back to bottom control, retest that right here, and we're going to drop. If we drop down below, man, here I'm going to take, let me switch over to Mr. Fibs. There we go. So we've got 12 minutes, 40 seconds on this 15. I think if we drop back below here, I would probably take that short. Now the 1 minute ATR is now 32 and the 2 minute is 32. Now this is a big gap right here. 1 minute, what do we got? Let me check something real quick. Okay, we're good. An aggressive play would be to take the short at 905. Probably even 96. Real aggressive would be at 927. That'd be up at VWAP. Okay. Then I would shoot for low a day. Okay, 15 minutes has 11 minutes left. Oh, sucker. Probably going to come up and get me. It would be logical. Come up to around 23. Okay, I'm going to take the stop at 14 if we come back up, because my feeling is if we come back up, then we're probably going to go up. Same with 11. There's a midnight open at 24,833, and that's going to actually be my target. I don't know if I can hang in that long, but I'll give it a shot. Yeah, my stop really needs to be still up here. Oh, you fucker. Up to the 14 EMA. I'm actually going to take that right there. Still a good chance we come down. Oh, all right, never mind. I was going to say it's still a good chance we come down to the midnight open down at 24,833. So there's that VWAP. There's that 27 area I was talking about. One last time. All right, that's enough. No mas. So we took out the higher high, which is this guy, and then we took out the lower low, which is this guy. Still have 8 minutes left. And that's it. Playing small. TCS, another good trade. Huh. My calendar's not updating. That's a problem. I'm actually going to turn the trading off. I'm good with that number. Because we took 3 trades there. 1, 2, 3, I think 3 at least. But I'll still show him if he pops up. But the calendar's not showing my trades. Not sure why. Back into that no man's land, came back up, which is kind of a play I like, which is we came down, we took out the bottom, right? We went down below. Now we got back inside. We're heading to the top. Now, a good thing would happen would be a reject. That would tell me we're going to continue down further. Move back below VWAP here. I'll try that. See if I can get out of the way. Back below the 1 minute weighted. And again, I'm looking for 883, 24,000. I'm sorry, 24,833. Oh, I'm not showing the trade. My fault. I jumped in right here, 22. Looking for that midnight open down here to tag that. We don't have to tag it. To me, it's just gives me a good warm fuzzy feeling. But 15, I got to watch the 15 here. That's what I'm watching. That's the one I care about. What does this candle do? Still have 4 minutes, 45 seconds. We could come down and turn red just as easy. So, or we can continue up, and then that would be a bullish candle for me. You see I'm playing small, only 3 contracts here. Majority of my weight is on TCS right now. Okay, see if we can drop 900 again. And we're currently at getting close to bottom control there to drop that. Yeah, we may not. If we can stay below VWAP, that would be good. So for me, we came back up above this 20 EMA, 5-minute 20, and then we closed back below it. So I always go short. My thinking always is to go short at the wick. That would have been at 16. And then look for 20 and 40. So 16, that would be 96. Didn't quite get there. Might get stopped out here. 96 and then 76. That would have been my targets. Okay, 2 minutes left on the 15, so we're kind of staying green. Unless we fall out in the last 2 minutes or last minute. This might be a little bullish candle, so makes me want to think of dropping my stop down some. We will see after this next 2 candles, I guess, on the 1 minute. We got to get back below bottom control at 909. 909, we got to drop 909 and then 887. Okay, so I'm going to put my stop up at around 30. Just because of this guy. He's staying green a lot longer than I'd like him to. If we drop 909, there we go. It'd be nice to get a close below that. And then we need to get back below the bull zone at 887. Okay, got 1 minute left. It's going to be the deciding candle here. I'll just go right above VWAP. Make it a small stop. If I can lock in 20 points, I'll try to lock in 20. Come on, baby. Drop it. 30 seconds left. So this is where I get a little more aggressive on my stop. And I'm okay with that. Session lows 857. All right, new 15's coming out. You're going to get some action. I was just going to say I was going to take 900 short of 900, but I think I'll wait for the bull zone to drop. So something like this. You can see we've just kind of, that's why I said before market open, this area right here, 900 to 25,000. So 100 points, it's just nasty. There's all kinds of things that can happen in here. IB 5 minute. See, I'm not even watching those anymore. Yep. IB 5 minute, which is at 900. I only got 9 points so far. A stop, 900, probably got stopped out. Probably the long at 9. Let's see. What's the high there? 943.75. 944. Might take both stops. Yeah, there's the long. I'd wait for the 15-minute long right above this guy. So that would be also above the pivot, right at the pivot. It's kind of no man's land for me. That's why I'm not too eager to take a trade per se. Wow, I was heavy back then too, man. I was just looking at a picture popped up on my phone of me and the wife in Italy at looking at David taking a selfie. And I was thinking, wow, I could barely see my eyes. I was so heavy. Holy smokies. All right, just kind of no man's area right here. Just kind of waiting. I need that 15-minute to be taken out. Either this is going to be an inside 15, which I would take, by the way, a short or a long. But it's got 12 minutes, so it's a long ways away. Beautiful. I'll see why. Where's my log? Okay, we're right at VWAP. VWAP's pretty much sideways. Okay, I don't want that one. Here we go. Today's the 23rd, so yeah. Oh, there's the drop. Damn it. I was reading something. Ah, son of a gun. All right, there was that short on dropping the bear zone, or bull zone. I still like that that move down to 833. Let's go. Let's see if we can get a move up to right here, and I would take that short right there. Not going to get it. Damn it. Yep. Dang it. I missed that short on right here. Right there. Could have taken that short. Or the 15-minute short still would have been okay, I think. Wouldn't have been that great. 58 down to 44, so you'd at least got 10. Come on, let's go. Get up there. Get up to 886. What is that? If we come back down, I mean, I have no problem taking that. My target's still the midnight open. I think we're going to get there. Yeah. $85, $83, so 12 points. Moved for me and I didn't take in anything. That's all right. I'm not looking for 12 points. I'm looking for that big move down. We got a 1 minute gap all the way up to 907. That's probably where I should be, is up around there. So 16. Yeah, so that's a big stop area. All right, here we go. Come on. You can take 10, 20, 85 down to 65. I want that 35. Come on. Don't know if we're going to get it. Minute left on the 5. 6 minutes left on the 15. Here's my TCS trades, 45 points total. 3 trades. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Let's go. All right, I'll lock in some here. This is where I get aggressive. We're within 10 points, so I'll say, you know, I'm not going to give that much away. Where are we at? 85. Ooh, probably should have taken 55 would give me 30. That wouldn't be worst case. So, yeah, there you go. Making a new lower low on the 15 minute anyway. On TCS, I took 3 trades, 942, and then took another one at 942. Got 13 points, 6 points, and then at 944, took 905 down to 879 for 25 points. For some reason, my calendar is not showing today's trades. I don't know why. I don't think I messed with it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. They were just slow. Okay, so here's the way we ended with TCS. It's not taking another trade for me. It's done. It's still in the short. But here's what we've done this month. Taken every one of the trades, showed them live on YouTube. It's done very well. Not bad. My PAs are hanging in there, doing well. So we'll just let her keep going. Trump speaks tomorrow at 6 p.m. I think we have PPI on Friday. So not bad. Not bad performance-wise. 872 points so far. You know, I think most of those Profit factor of 20, which is pretty good. 88% win rate. Those are good stats. Good stats. Okay, so you're probably thinking, well, we're not even done yet. Why'd you turn TCS off? Why? And this will be the reason why. So today, let me go to TCS and I'll show you. 29 points, 1 win, 0 loss. Ironically, Friday we had 29 points. One trade, 0 losses. So this is February's data on TCS. And it's up 809 points, 90% win rate, 20 trades, 18 winning, 2 losing, 14 winning days, 2 losing days, these two, back-to-back 110-point losses. Total of 16 days for 87% win rate on the daily. Last week alone was 402 points, so not too bad. But it's above its average. So when I go back and I look at the months, averaging about 600 points is about the average. So for us to be up at 809, I don't even need to trade anymore this week. Right? Oops. And so I'm looking at February saying, wow, we're up 809 points. Should I even trade it through anymore this month? So I want to be conservative. So, I mean, it's pretty incredible, pretty good numbers. So just keep playing it out. It will have a losing month. December was not a good month. It happens. You're going to have bad months. Just like any program, just like the way you trade, just like the way I trade. It's going to be times where you get bad months. Hell, bad 3-4 months. So anyway. So to me, anytime we get 29, 30 points, 40 points, it almost got this 54. I thought about changing my numbers too, but I got to stick with it because the program's set. Okay, ATR is about 28. You can see we're just kind of maybe putting in a little wedge or something here. Stand below the bull zone. Hopefully you guys can read that if you want to read it. Here's the 15-minute. Lower low won't show up until after this candle closes, if it's the lower low. Okay, we're hanging out at opening range, 15-minute opening range. We did not make it down to that 833 yet. Dang it. Don't know if we will. Midnight open. Always like to revisit that every day, some way, somehow. Doesn't always happen. Especially if there's a big gap up. It'll just continue on up. Forget the midnight open. It was irrelevant. Today's midnight open, somewhere around here, right there at that top, I think is a little informational. Then we came down and put a low in. Poor man's low down here at 807. They may want to come out and take that baby out. Might be a long here. Back into the bull zone. See what happens. I don't know. We got 10 minutes left on this 15, so I mean, a lot of fuckery, what I call it, could happen here. Right? You got this 15-minute candle. It can come all the way up to 948, 950 area and still come back down. So yeah, just put it on this, leave it alone. Okay, SPY dropped its 15-minute pre-market low. $10. God dang it. Yeah, 10 o'clock, 10:02, SPY came back up and retested. Perfect place. Gosh darn it. This PY, where are you at? Just being patient. Not much to do here. We're back inside that bull zone. Damn it. Gonna be too late. Looks like SPY came up and retested. Gonna wait for this 15-minute to close. Got 6 minutes left. SPY looked like it's trying to take out the low. Came back and retested its pre-market high or pre-market low, which is around 685.65. Okay, so TCS apparently just took a trade. I'm not sure which one. I did not take this trade. I had my trading off for this one. I didn't like the long, honestly. But doesn't mean we can't come up and get it at 25 points. Fucker. This is why you don't turn the trading off. You just let it go. Damn you. All right, so it's done for the day. It's got its 53 points. 50 points is my max, or is my my set point. So, damn it. I would have been at break even. The system automatically goes to break even, so son of a biscuit eater, man. Gosh damn it. So it's not that I'm cheating. I will record this trade because the spreadsheet is all what TCS does, not the way I trade it, but just what TCS does. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm recording, so 53.75. Two trades, two wins. So all the trades on this spreadsheet are what the software did, not what I did. So here's the final numbers for TCS because he's locked out now. Account's locked. 53.75, two trades. Now is up 834. 834 for the month. Got a 90% win rate, which is past performance is not indicative of future performance, as they say. SPY's taking out the low. And the way I traded it, this is the way I traded it today. I only got 59 points, but it was all based on, I took 3 trades on the first trade. I'm gonna have to look at these numbers. So I didn't take another one. Something to look at. So we'll see how that goes. I'll have to make sure all the numbers align. Why would that say 2? Oh, because I had 2 contracts. That's why. For 27 points. Yeah, I have to go back there and look at the video too. All right, that's that. Here, let me look at this real quick. All right, so this has 45 points. This is the better number. I have to figure out why that other one says a little bit higher. 53 or something. 59, I don't know what it said. But this is correct. Yeah, always tweaking. All right, so we're back below the bull zone. I still would like to come down to 833. We're getting a lot of wicks to the upside. Wicky, 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 wicky. So, all right, I'm done. I'm not going to take any more trades. I'm happy with where I'm at. And yeah, just go from there. Oh, I know why. Okay, so this shows the trading of TCS. My calendar, because I also took, no, maybe not. Never mind. We'll see. But anyway, I'm done. I'm not taking any more trades. Yep. Thank you, Jason. And I'll be here again tomorrow. We'll do it all over again. Again, for the rest of this week, TCS, I'm going to be playing it very conservatively. I mean, it's already up so many, whatever, 800 points. I don't know what it's up. So it's up pretty decently. And I don't want to, there's really no reason to trade it for the rest of the month, right? Next 4 days. So I want to play, I'll just play my PAs small, real small, like even smaller than I played them today. I think I played 2 contracts for target. So I think tomorrow I'll probably play 1, just because it's inevitable that we're going to get a losing day in here. I mean, it's going to happen. Ooh. Whoa. I don't know what happened there. All my screens went black. So it's going to happen. So I just want to be able to play it right. And then I'll worry about March when March gets here. Actually, I'm just going to keep playing. Yeah, thank you. All right. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. If anybody can hit the like button, that'd be great. Appreciate it. It does help even with my small numbers. Something better than nothing. Yeah, that's all I got. Hopefully you guys have a good day and good luck today. Go out with my disclaimer.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each Trekking in the digital glow, markets